Meaning of exasperatedly.
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 Exasperatedly. The word exasperatedly is an adverb that describes someone who is feeling extremely frustrated, annoyed, or irritated. When used in a sentence, it implies that the person is at the peak of their frustration and is likely to express their annoyance in a forceful or outspoken manner. This can manifest in behaviors such as yelling, slamming doors, or expressing their discontent through physical gestures. Overall, exasperatedly is a word that captures the intensity of negative emotions and conveys the sense that someone has reached their breaking point.